Hey everyone, I'm Abby from UPDF, and sometimes you have to share a PDF, but not all of it. Maybe it has sensitive information like your salary, your home address, or just a rough draft that you just want to hide. You want people to see the PDF, but only the right parts. With UPDF, you can blur parts of a PDF and also permanently redact sensitive information that you don't want to come back. So click the link in the description below and follow along while I teach you how to blur a PDF with UPDF. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 ways to hide PDF content. UPDF Desktop offers a visual blur option that turns selected PDF pages into softly blurred images. It helps you share previews while keeping full content slightly hidden from casual viewers. Follow the steps with me to show you how you can quickly blur pages in your own PDFs. First, search for UPDF on any browser you use. After seeing the results, click the Download UPDF site link to open the main download page. Now, click the free download under the Mac or Windows section. It will download the latest UPDF version that doesn't require any updates until the next version is released. After the UPDF is downloaded and installed, open the tool and click the plus icon. Next, press the Open File option and select a PDF to import into UPDF. Once done, open the Saving Options drop-down menu and press the Image PDF option. This will basically save your PDF as an image. Now, choose the Blur option. Select a page range and use the slider to set the intensity of the blur. To see the results, you need to click the Preview button here. After that, simply press the Save option and select a location to save the new image-based PDF. So, as we discussed, this converts your selected PDF pages into blurred images, making the text harder to read at a glance. It is perfect when you want to tease content or share a preview and ask viewers to contact you for full access. The Redaction tool in UPDF completely removes selected text, images, or pages. With this, you can protect sensitive information like client names, bank details, and ID numbers for any future access. Watch carefully what I do to understand how to mark, search, and apply redaction in your documents. Once you open a PDF in UPDF, click the Redact option in the top toolbar. Next, press the Redact option and choose the color option that you want to use for redaction. After that, you need to drag your mouse pointer over the text and images you want to hide. Click the Apply button to apply the redactions. To redact entire pages, click the Redact Pages option. Then, you need to choose the redaction color and select the page range. Once done, press the Redact button to see the whole page redacted. Now, if you want to hide specific details like your name, address, and ID number, UPDF can help with that too. To do it, press the Search and Redact option and enter the specific word in the search panel. If you want to search for all the redacted words rather than just exact matches, you can use the AI search option here. After that, select the specific areas or press Select All to choose all the findings and click the Redact button below. This method permanently deletes the underlying content, which is ideal for sensitive names, account numbers, and ID information. As we've explored the stronger protection tools, UPDF also lets you cover content with shapes. This will make your PDF look clean and blocked in those 2 spots during normal viewing and sharing. So, see the steps I do to understand how to add, style, and flatten these cover shapes. First, access the Comment feature and choose the Shapes tool. After that, pick a specific shape and set its border color, fill color, and opacity. Now, move your mouse pointer over the area that you want to hide. Next, go to the Save options and click Save as Flattened to save the PDF with flattened annotations and edits. This way, no one can select and delete the annotation shape. The point to keep in mind is that even after flattening, the shape only sits on top, and the original text can still exist. That means special tools might still read or pull out the words under your shaped cover. So never use this method for very important information, only for light covers on non-sensitive content. That's it for our quick 3 ways to hide PDF content with UPDF. So now you know how to blur pages, permanently redact details, and quickly cover areas with shapes. Download UPDF from the description below and try redacting or blurring a PDF of your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a tutorial.